Now, meron akong papakita sa yung apat na paraan kung paano ka kikita dito. Okay, this is the four ways of earning. Okay, so dito sa One Naturaleza. Number one is personal sales income. Kapag makabenta ka ng one bronze or isang bronze using our system at strategy, kikita ka ng 108 pesos as personal sales. Pag silver, okay, pag silver, you will earn 308 pesos. Pag gold, you will earn 808 pesos. Example, nakadalawa kang sales ng gold. Magkano yung pwede mong kitain? So 800, ita times lang natin, 800 times 2, you will earn 1,616 pesos per day. Okay? Per month, 48,480 per month. Okay? Take note, personal sales pa lang yan, guys. So ganun na yung kalaki, okay, yung pwede mong kitain dito sa personal sales. Next is tinatawag na team bonus. Sa team bonus, guys, lagi yung tatandaan na magkakaroon kayo ng dalawang group sales, isa sa left at isa sa right. So example, isang sales na bronze nang pumasok sa left group sales mo at isa sa right group sales mo, you will earn 500 pesos. So what if, okay, pag silver yung pumasok, so 1,000 pesos po yan, guys. So pag gold to 5 ka agad, grabe, ganun kalaki. Kaya nakaka-excite, guys, itong gawin. So another example, guys, is ito yung pinakamalupit. Ayan, so itong another example natin, guys, okay? Since na group sales nga ito, okay, coming from your organization, okay, coming from your organization, may pumasok na sales na 10. Okay, 10 sa left, 10 sa right. Tatandaan nyo, guys, pag pumasok na ganyan kalaking sales, magkano kaya ang kikitain mo? Okay, kapag gold. So ita times lang natin, guys, 10 times 2,500, you will earn 25,000 in just one day. So pwede pong mangyari yan sa isang araw. Pwede kang kumita ng 25,000 because of your organization na mayroon ka na. Take note, okay? Take note, guys. Coming from your group sales po ito. Hindi po ito sa personal sales mo. Ibig sabihin, the moment na marami kang group, malaki yung pwede mong kitain. Okay? Na passive income. So kaya dito mo maranasan yung sinasabing time and financial freedom once na ginawa mo at sineryoso mo itong business natin. Next, tinatawag na indirect sales income. Get 10 pesos up to 10th level of your organization. So the more you have more personal sales, the more you earn unlimited 10 pesos coming to your personal sales as additional income po yan. So, ganun po kakabait si company, bibigyan ka pa ng mga ganitong bonus. So, last, okay, yung pang-apat, okay, tinatawag na redundant income. Ibig sabihin, every time na may mag-reactivate, okay, under your organization, you will earn, okay, ng paulit-ulit, okay. So, example dyan, pag bronze ang nag-reactivate sa right and left, okay, kikita ka ulit ng 500. Pag silver, 1,000. Pag gold, 2,500 ulit. So, again, paulit-ulit, guys. Redundant. Yan ang pwede mong kitain. Okay? So, napakalaki niyan, guys. Yan sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys, na the advantage ng ganitong business. Okay? Pag na-reach nila yung capping, okay? Yung capping natin, guys, pag bronze, 28,000. Okay? Pag silver, 58,000. Pag gold, 80,000. Pag na-hit nila yan, guys, magre-reactivate sila. So, pwede kang kumita ulit ng 500, 1,000, 2,500. Okay, pag personal sales mo naman, okay, kikita ko ulit ng 108, 308, 808 as personal sales income. Okay, paulit-ulit yan na pwede mong kitain. So, okay, clear ba? So, next, magkakaroon ka din dito ng sarili mong dashboard na doon mo monitor lahat ng transaction sa business mo. Okay, gaya na lang ng income mo at kung saan ka pwede mag-cash out. Okay. Now, paano magsisimula? Okay, very good question. Okay. So ngayon, paano ka makakapag-start at magkano yung kapital? Okay, pipili ka lang, guys, dito. Okay, ng business account na pwede mong simulan. Okay, from bronze na worth of 1,888 pesos, silver worth of 3,888 pesos at gold 8,888 pesos. So yan po, sobrang liit po ng kapital natin dito, pero yung tawag yan, potential income natin sobrang laki. Lalo na, guys, pag kinuha mo gold. Okay, kasi yung gold, ito yung pinaka-biggest income potential per month. So now, sabi nga, the biggest capital, the biggest income potential and benefits. Again, pipili ka lang, guys, ng business account, okay, from bronze to gold. So, ikaw bahala kung ano yung kaya mo, gusto mong simulan dyan. So, what you will get if you start today. Pag bronze, guys, okay, pag bronze yung kinuha mo, Okay, makukuha mo is 1 naturalizer bag, 2 bottles of 100 ml Vanadium shampoo, and 4 bottles of DX1. Okay, at 10% discounted ka na sa lahat ng products natin. So yung potential income niya per month is 120,000 pesos. Okay, so next is pag silver naman yung kinuha mo, okay, worth 3,888, you will get 1 naturaleza bag, 1 bottle of Lucida Grip Seed, 3 bottles of 100 ml Vanadium shampoo, 6 bottle of DX1, okay, 1 Lucida soap, at 15% discount ka na guys, okay, sa lahat ng product. So yung potential income niya guys is 300,000 pesos. Okay, sa gold, pag gold package ang kinuha mo, okay, or gold account, okay, you will get 1 naturalizer bag, 1 bottle of Lucida Grape Seed, 1 bottle of Lucida Glutathione, 4 bottles of 248 ml Vanadium shampoo, and 2 bottles of Lucida spray, and 1 bottle of Lucida soap, and 1 Vaniderm soap. So 25% ka dito guys. Grabe. Halos daming discount, napakalaki ng discount mo dito sa gold. So yung potential, yun to yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys, na the moment na malaki yung puna, malaki din yung return of products and okay, and monthly potential income, okay, and benefits. So napakalaki po niyan guys. Okay, so next guys, bonus namin is you will get free one-on-one setup ng Facebook ads. Dito ka magkakaroon ng limited sales guys. Number 2, you will get free one-on-one setup. Dito guys, ma-automate mo yung business mo. You will get free marketing tools and strategies. Yan. So para hindi ka na mahirapan sa mga marketing and strategy. At bonus number 2, incentives. Okay? Makakuha ka ng mga incentives. Free med check-up, car raffle draw, and company ID coming from Idol Moon Tulpo. So yan po yung mga makukuha mo guys. Again, ito yung mga makukuha mo guys. Sobrang dami. So kaya huwag mong panghinayangan yung ipang pupuhunan mo dito. Okay? Kasi sa products pa lang, sa benefits pa lang, okay, sa potential income pa lang, may mentor ka pa, di ba? May magtuturo pa sa iyo ng business, paano gagawin exactly, paano ka kikita. Grabe guys, walang-wala yung ipang pupuhunan mo guys. So dito kikita ka guys, assurance, 100% pag ginawa mo yung tatlong strategy na tinuro ko sa iyo kanina. Alright, so limited lang ang offer namin, okay, sa Facebook strategy at chatbot. Kung seryoso ka para kumita, okay, pwede ka humabol sa offer na to para maturuan ka namin at masalo mo yung mga sales coming from your mentor na pwedeng ibigay sa'yo. Okay? Go ahead, start now, message yung mentor.